Welcome to the San Francisco Employees Retirement System, your resource to everything SFRS. As a retired member of SFRS, you can access individual account information, including a monthly pension amount, through My SFRS Secure Member Portal. To access your individual account information, go to the SFRS website homepage, click on Login, or from the SF Employee Gateway, click on My Apps Portal. Whichever one you choose, you will be directed to the SF Employee Gateway login page. On the SF Gateway login page, enter your DSW number and your network password in the fields provided. Then click on Agree and Sign In. If you don't have or you don't remember your DSW number, please email SFRS at sfrshelp@sfgov.org. If you are logging in for the first time, click the link for First-Time Registration for Retirees, City College, or SFUSD at the bottom of the login box and follow the instructions as prompted. After you enter your login credentials and click on Agree and Sign In, you will receive a secure code by text or email if you choose email as your preferred communication method. Enter that code in the field labeled Secure Code. Then click on Verify. You will be directed to the My Apps screen. In the pop-up screen, enter or verify your email address and cell phone number in the fields as indicated. Your email should be a unique personal email address that you do not share with another member, such as a spouse. Providing your phone number is optional, yet we encourage you to include it as an added level of security. SFRS will use your email and phone number for communication purposes only. If you are a returning user, review and, if desired, edit the email and/or cell phone number displayed, which are the email or cell phone number associated with your account. Then click on the link to read and acknowledge the SFRS disclaimer and privacy settlement. These disclosures provide information about your rights and restrictions as a member of My SFRS. Click on Confirm at the bottom of the information box to complete the login process. That's it. You are now logged in to your My SFRS account. Welcome to My SFRS. You can view membership information and/or edit your contact information at any time from your dashboard. You can also update your address if needed from your dashboard. Select the Profile tab to view your monthly pension amount, your annual 1099 form, and if you have direct deposit, your monthly advice notice. You may also access information by using the quick links located at the bottom of the page. Be sure to note the member data last updated by SFRS date, as well as the FAQ and Contact Us links for assistance. If you should need to access the SFRS website while logged into the portal, use the website menus located above the portal menus. You can always click on the SFRS logo to return to the home page. To return to the portal, click on your name in the upper right corner. When you're done, select Log Out below your name. You have access to lots of valuable information with My SFRS. Take a moment to explore My SFRS on your own and discover the benefits of SFRS.